Good afternoon. This video is gonna show you how to set up the My Ether wallet and also how to send the coin to the other party. So from here, it's obvious when you go to this Ether wallet, the landing page looks like that, and enter the password in order to create a new one. Okay, new wallet. If you do have it, then you don't have to do this, but uh, from the very beginning, you have to create a new one. Okay, and then there is a it's called stone key file. It's a file, so you have to save it. Okay, make sure you save it. So I'm saving it. Okay, and then I know where this is located. Okay, make sure the location, those kind of things, right? And then I click on understand, continue. All right, this is a very important thing here. So you have to save somewhere. Make sure you save with the key you had just saved. Okay, you can either also print it to a page because eventually if you lost your key and those kind of things, you still have the private key, right? So you can do something, right? Okay, now after you create that, basically you're fine. Okay, so what's happened is on your local drive, you will have a file like that. Okay, so now if for example I have that one, so you have this one here, right? One of those files. Okay, because the one actually I used actually not this one here, so that's fine. So at least you know where this file located and what does it look like, right? Okay, so make sure this private key saved somewhere. Okay, so you say, okay, I'm gonna print it, and then uh, you can print it, okay, or save your address, and then just save it somewhere. Okay, so now I want to open my wallet. So I click on this one and I say I'm gonna view my wallet. Okay, what does it look like, right? So select that one, key store. Okay, key store JSON file, right? And it's because it's your local computer, so you don't have to worry about this one here, right? It's not recommended or something because you have your wallet file right here. Okay, so click open and enter your password you just entered on the first screen and click on unlock because my file has been created a while ago, right? So it shows the account has a balance right there. Okay, and also it shows this is your address, and in the other word, in the other word, it is called, we know, right? It's called address. Okay, actually it's called account. Okay, in this one. Okay, so now let's see here. I have that, right? Let me just minimize this one here. So this one is actually right here. Okay. So now let me see what is my Coinbase right now here. Okay. So I will say either Coinbase. Okay, so yes, actually the Coinbase already set up like this way. Okay, if it's not, and then you can run command like that. It's called a miner set ether base and put this address right here so you can set it up. Okay, so basically this one is good. This one is what I'm looking for. So now remember we have 74. Linkgear or ether, it's the same way. Okay, now let me try to start mining. Okay, so let me try start mining a little bit. See if we can, luckily mine something here. So remember, right now, the balance right here is 74.6. Okay. If we come back here and let's see, it does commit the work. So start a mining program. It's a mining work, but we haven't mined anything yet. Okay, this is import. That means it's importing from somebody's work. Okay, it's not our work actually. So far, it's not. Okay, we got one. Okay, so mined potential block. So we are mining this one here. Okay, so let's see if we can add to the chain. Okay, so no, actually we didn't. Oh, there we go. So we added one here. Reach the uh, canonical chain. That means we successfully mined one. Okay, so now if we come back to the wallet, right, and click on view the wallet, you cannot refresh because this website is basically a sessionless. Okay, so it won't remember your previous state or anything for the safety purpose. Okay, so now you still have to basically go here, click on that, click on this one, and pick the file, the keystone file, right? Key store file, I'm sorry. And then click on the unlock. Okay, see, it's one block because it must be got more than this one, but before it was 84. Now I'm sorry, it was a 74. Now it's 78. Okay, so it's a live connect to this. Okay, now let me stop. Let me stop the mining. Okay, so let's see what's the final coin it has, because we want to send something to somebody. Okay, so based on that, let's go to the send, and I'm gonna come here, use the same wallet. So you need to tell the difference, right? This wallet is my Ether wallet based account. Okay, and previously we had some wallet which is the node based account, so they're a little bit different. Okay, so now you see I have totally mined 79.8. Okay, Ethereum or Linkgear, it's the same kind of word. Okay, so now I say, okay, I want to basically, send to something to a new and to existing account. Okay, so let's see what we can send it over. So this is the way probably we want to send it over. Okay, but first of all, we probably want to see what's in the current account. Okay, so let me do this, because right now you are in the in this Coinbase, right? But we want to see what currently has in the other account. Okay, so the other account we know is the Ether, which is the Ether accounts. I will show you later. Okay, that thing. Okay, error from way balance account. Oh, that's a typo right here. Okay, so this account, what is that account, right? That account is accounts 0. So that account is this, ending 9B18. So far it has 2,748 Linkgear. Okay, so that's good. Now we want to send something over. Okay, we want to send something from this wallet. Okay, so now we want to send from the wallet account. Totally we have 79, right? To this account which is the node account, and currently it has 2,748. Okay, so how much do you want to send? Okay, let's send 50. Okay, but remember there could be some gas, cost and those kind of things. So it might be different. Okay, let's see how that goes, right? Okay, so let's do generate transaction. Okay, now it tells you where to send it over and those kind of things. And remember our chain ID is 30341. Okay, and this is actually the transaction, signed transaction, the signature. So I click on send transaction. So this is the confirmation kind of thing says, okay, I'm gonna send from 1110C wallet to 9B18 wallet, okay, with the 50 Linkgear, right? So now yes, I say yes, make the transaction. So now it goes. It gives you the transaction ID as well, right? That's the transaction ID, right? You can copy it, save it. Okay, let's save it. So I'm gonna save it, right? Okay, saved it here. Okay, so now if we look at the console, you might see something, but really probably it's not happening right here, because this console, you never know, is able to participate to the mining or transaction, right? But let's see how that goes. So now let's check the account, right? This account, actually this one, right? Because we send it over to this one. Okay, so now let's see the balance. It's not coming yet. Okay, sometimes it takes a while, and really depends on the network, right? The network speed, and sometimes it takes a long time. Okay, but basically I will show this is the way shows you the how to send the wallet. I mean, how to send the Linkgear or Ether from your wallet to somebody else. Okay, but basically, if you got this kind of message, that means it is sent. Okay, but how soon it's gonna go get it, it's different time. It totally depends on the network, the business of the whole blockchain. Okay, so I'm gonna end this one here, and let's just check one more here. Let's see if it gets, no, not yet. So that means the network is very busy, but at least you get a sense of seeing how this my wallet, my Ether wallet works with the different accounts, and how do you create a wallet and save the private key, and also the UTC wallet file. Thank you very much, and I will talk to you later. Bye bye.